Welcome to the free Amazon FBA course. This is the first video in a series of videos in a playlist that I've put together for you that's going to show you step by step on how to create your own profitable Amazon FBA business. So if you're watching this and you haven't already joined to get access to the free Amazon FBA course, you can click the link down below, enter your email address, and I'll give you access to over 6 hours of step-by-step videos showing you exactly how you can begin your Amazon journey and start your own Amazon business today. And on top of that, by joining this free Amazon FBA course, I'm going to give you access to a bunch of powerful bonuses that I'll go over in detail in just a minute. So for those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Crescent, and I've been an entrepreneur for over 20 years. I started my first online business when I was 24 years old, which I can proudly say generated over $1 million in sales. I've also helped countless people just like you start their own Amazon businesses. People like Linda, who within just 3 months of starting her own Amazon business, she was able to hit her first $10,000 month. Or Kara, who's crushing it and is now averaging $2,000 in sales every single day. And Ahmed, who in literally less than 60 days already did his first $5,000 month. And Josh, who I think many people can resonate with, he was able to finally quit his corporate job. And Harold here, who literally within 1 hour of launching his very first product, made his very first sale, and many, many more. In today's economy, Amazon has become the world's largest online marketplace, and their e-commerce platform is such a massive powerhouse that over 50% of all online sales takes place on Amazon. Can you believe that? 50 cents of every dollar that transacts online takes place on Amazon. And if you want your mind blown even more, half of the entire population in the US has an Amazon Prime account. Yes, half. Amazon currently has over 176 million Amazon Prime members. And by selling your products on Amazon's marketplace and taking advantage of their FBA or Fulfillment by Amazon service, you get instant access to over 176 million customers that will potentially buy your products. And did you know nearly 2/3 of all sellers on Amazon are actually third-party sellers, just like you and me? And over 350,000 sellers make over $100,000 a year. And that number grows more and more every single year. And what makes selling on Amazon FBA so amazing is that not only do you get access to over 147 million Prime customers, with the Amazon FBA service, selling online couldn't be any simpler. All you have to do is send the inventory that you want to sell on Amazon's marketplace to an Amazon fulfillment center, and each time you make a sale, Amazon will handle all of the order fulfillment for you. Amazon will pick, pack, and ship the products to your customers for you, as well as handle all of the customer service. That means your entire business is completely hands-off while Amazon automates the entire process. And because you're selling your product on the largest marketplace in the world, you're naturally going to get sales because people go to Amazon for one reason only: to buy products. And since Amazon is handling the entire process for you, once you have everything set in place, you can pretty much spend your time doing whatever you want. You can truly live the freedom lifestyle that you've dreamed of, whether that's traveling or spending time with your friends and family. You can break free from the 9-to-5 rat race. And do you know what else I want you to break free from? Smashing the like button, because the more likes this video gets, the more people the YouTube algorithm will show the video to so that they can also take advantage of this free Amazon course, and I would really appreciate it. Now, before I go into detail about this free Amazon course, I want to let you know of an opportunity. I'm opening up limited spots to join my advanced Amazon FBA program. If you want to learn more about it, I'll leave a link down below. The Amazon Beginner Mastery program goes into way more detail on how to successfully start an Amazon business from scratch. You don't need to have any special skills, or even if you've never sold anything online before. And the Amazon Beginner Mastery program is different in several ways from the free Amazon FBA course. With the free Amazon FBA course, you'll get access to over 6 hours of content. And by joining by clicking the link down below, I'll also set you up with actionable training material that you can read and follow at your own pace. In addition to that, you'll get access to my massive Amazon Facebook community. And with the Amazon Beginner Mastery program, you'll get lifetime access to far more in-depth and detailed content. You'll get access to over 118 step-by-step lessons spanning 13 modules, including lessons on how to brand your product and differentiate it by having a powerful competitive advantage, which is the key to crushing the competition and 10xing your sales. You also get access to Q&A live streams with me every single week. So if you ever have any questions, or if you ever run into a specific problem, or if you ever get stuck on a certain step of starting your Amazon business, you can join the live stream and ask me any questions that you have. You also get access to my private Facebook mastermind group that's full of other people just like you that are committed to starting their own Amazon businesses. And I want to emphasize that one of the biggest benefits of joining the Amazon Beginner Mastery Program over the free Amazon FBA course is that you'll be surrounded by a community of people that are going to help you answer any questions you have about starting your Amazon business. And when you go to launch your product, the community members will be the first ones to buy your product to help you get your initial sales, as well as leave you positive reviews. By joining the Amazon Beginner Mastery Program, you'll get access to 2 one-on-one calls with me. And I know how extremely beneficial this is for beginners because by talking to me right away, I can help you shortcut your results. I can help answer any questions that you have, and more importantly, I can point out any flaws that I see with your current Amazon business. And on top of that, when you join the Amazon Beginner Mastery Program, you'll get access to my personal industry contacts. Contacts that I've been working with for years and have established a great business relationship with. Working with my contacts will not only help you save a ton of time and money, but it'll give you peace of mind. Rather than trying to find your own resources for software solutions, freight forwarders, or even product inspections, I'm positive that you'll agree your peace of mind and the money savings alone will more than cover the cost of the Amazon Beginner Mastery Program. Now, with the free Amazon FBA course, it's of course 100% free. All you have to do to get access to it is click the link down below to sign up. But with the Amazon Beginner Mastery Program, if you do want to start your Amazon journey with me, it does require an investment of $997. There is a 14-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee, so you have no excuses. It's an unconditional money-back guarantee. And if for whatever reason you decide it's not for you, just email me and I'll give you 100% of your money back. From my own personal experience, I've come to realize that people that invest money into something tend to be far more serious and care more about it. And results speak for themselves. The success rate of people that join the Amazon Beginner Mastery Program is much higher than the success rate of those that join the free Amazon FBA course. But I do understand that not everyone can afford to invest in themselves, so that's why I offer the free Amazon FBA course. And with the free Amazon FBA course, you get an overview of how to sell on Amazon and how you can get started with your own Amazon business. You'll also find a very detailed, in-depth video on how to properly do product research, how to make sure your product has a competitive advantage, how to find a manufacturer, how to set up your Amazon seller account and get verified, how to create powerful and optimized Amazon listings, how to do PPC, as well as a ton of other tips on how to start your Amazon business. With the free Amazon FBA course, you'll also get access to a list of some of the most frequently asked questions and the YouTube videos that I've created on them. Again, you can join the free Amazon course by clicking the link down below. So I want to finish this video by sharing with you the 5 different factors that I've seen guarantee success when starting an Amazon FBA business. The first factor that I know from my own experience that differentiates the beginners from the successful Amazon sellers is beginners tend to try to figure everything out themselves. Ask yourself if you fall into this category. Are you constantly searching online, scouring multiple resources like YouTube, consuming a bunch of random videos, floating around from one resource to another, not really knowing what you're doing or have any real sense of direction or a plan? Getting stuck in analysis paralysis and eventually end up not taking action or making mistakes that ultimately cause you to lose countless hours and thousands of dollars. Like Walda here, who reached out to me with her story. She spent countless hours trying to learn on her own over the past 2 years, but it wasn't until she followed my strategies that everything clicked into place and a light bulb went off. And here's the thing, what experts do instead is they learn from other people's successes and failures. They take the experience of others and make it their own. Instead of wasting countless hours going from one resource to another, trying to find all the right information, they find one program that's a complete step-by-step program to show them how to actually take action, start their own Amazon business, and launch their product. They also find experts or mentors that have been through the school of hard knocks, that have already made all of the mistakes, that can hold their hand and help them to avoid making the same mistakes. Because here's the thing, because sometimes mistakes, even the smallest mistakes you make on Amazon, could end up costing you thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars. And so by investing in a program, you can literally streamline the entire process. You'll have a known action plan that works that you can follow and a support group behind you the whole way, and it'll save you hundreds of hours of your time trying to do it all on your own in an attempt to avoid the same mistakes. The problem is you don't know what you don't know. So oftentimes you don't even know the mistakes that you should be avoiding. The second factor to guaranteeing success is having a plan. One of the top reasons why businesses fail is because of the lack of planning. Not defining your goal and having a well thought out plan on how to achieve that goal is the first step to failure. Find a mentor, someone that you resonate with that has more experience than you. That way, you'll have access to a step-by-step plan from someone that's already done it and already achieved what you're trying to do. Follow their footsteps to launch your Amazon business, and you will undoubtedly increase your chances of success. The fourth factor that experts do is that they know they shouldn't try to do this alone. There's a well-known catchphrase: show me your 5 best friends and I'll tell you the type of person you are. By surrounding yourself with a community of other entrepreneurs, other e-commerce sellers, you can help each other and ask each other questions. Everyone is learning together and you can give each other feedback, which levels up everybody's business. And the fifth key factor to guaranteeing success, which in my opinion is the most important factor, no matter what you decide to do in life, you need to have skin in the game. If you want to succeed, you need to make a commitment to yourself and actually follow through. Every year, countless people make goals, but guess what? There's no surprise that most will fail. Just like going on a diet or going to the gym. Why? Because most people are afraid to leave their comfort zone. Unless they sincerely are no longer comfortable with where they're at, they won't take action to complete their goal. The situation isn't uncomfortable enough for them to follow through. They don't have any skin in the game. If you want to increase your chances of success, you need to have skin in the game. You need to make sure that you're being honest with yourself. Make a serious commitment to yourself. And most importantly, invest in yourself. And that's one of the main reasons why to join me in my Amazon Beginner Mastery program. To truly invest in yourself, you'll need to invest $997 because I only want to work with those people that are absolutely serious about starting their own Amazon business. So like I said before, if you take this advice to heart, invest in yourself and take advantage of the no risk 100% money back guarantee, you can get started today and take your first serious step to starting your Amazon journey. Do you think Ahmed, who hit $5,000 in his first 60 days, has any regrets about investing in himself? If you're serious about starting your Amazon FBA business so that you can achieve financial freedom, so that you can make passive income while you're traveling or spending time with your friends and family and escape the rat race, click the link below this video and join me right now and make a change in your life. Because nothing changes if nothing changes. And remember, I can only accept a limited number of new students, so if there's no more slots available, make sure to put yourself on the waiting list. Because I know Amazon FBA is such a great opportunity right now, and it's for this reason I created this free Amazon FBA course, and I also created the more advanced Amazon Beginner Mastery program. See you inside.